Hello all, so today we are going to explore those free courses which are available on Udemy, and it is for interest of all those people who are into IT or have some interest in computer science. So let's go and explore it, and these all courses give you free certification also in the end. So remember to subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead. So the first one is the Programming 101, which is for all those people who want to understand the basic of fundamental of hardware, networking, programming, and licensing. You can go down, see the course content and everything. And I believe it is must for, in fact, beginners. So you can also click here and see the preview. The next one which I explored was, the security awareness campaign. And I will tell you why I like this program so much, because it has everything about, cyber security and information security. If you see the content and everything, I did this course myself, and I can assure you that it added a lot of value to me. The next one being, Fresh Blender Crash Course. So this is for those people who have some interest in designing animation and 3D. So you must go and explore this course. And don't worry, guys, I will be sending you all the links. There's everything in my description so that you don't have to go and search it by your own. The next one being, Amazon Web Services Zero to Hero. It is a very, very, very good program. And right now, AWS services are very much in demand. You can go ahead and see the description of the program. And it is a must for everyone who is exploring this particular topic of AWS. The next one being Spark Starter Kit. This is for all those people who have some interest in Hadoop. So if you are a Hadoop lover, you should go ahead and do this course. It has good ratings by many thousands of students. The next one is Quantum Introductory Course. It is specifically for those people who have some interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain, which is again a booming industry right now. The next one being Git and GitHub. If you want to learn something about Git and GitHub, this is a good course, and many students, more than 100,000 students, have already taken the course and very good rating. It is one of the best rated courses in the free domain, which is available on Udemy. So go ahead, guys, do this course and get free certification. The next one being, if you want to learn something about HTML and CSS fundamentals, you should go ahead and explore this course. It's very, very, very good. And if you want to know a bit about the advanced one, the next one is this, where they teach you on how to make a quiz app using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you should go ahead and do this courses. The description, requirement, everything is very crystal clear. Explore these courses. And the last two are where if you have some interest in building your own website using WordPress, these two courses, this one and the next one, are very, very good. Instead, in fact, I did it myself to build my own website and got a lot of traffic. So go ahead, guys. I will be giving you the links of all these courses in the description so that you can go. You should also go here and sign up to Udemy so that you can get a free account first, and then you can go ahead and explore. If you think this video added a value to you, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and let the revolution begin. Keep the hope in your life. Bye bye.